Does manifestation really work? Can manifestation help me attract my deepest desires and dreams? I'm sure most of us have this question come to our minds. If you're one of them, then this video is for you. Let's talk about how manifestation can change our lives first. Whatever you're experiencing in your life today, manifestation is going to give you a platform to change that existing reality into something that you wish to have, receive, be, and do whatever it is that you would like to achieve. Manifestation can be a definite science that can help you attract that desire. Not only that, it can actually help you overcome any obstacles that you're currently facing in your life, be it past patterns, be it even a sense of unfulfillment. Let's look at how we can break down manifestation into some powerful steps. Firstly, identify what exactly you want to achieve in your life. If you're someone who wants to achieve their dreams, it's important to first be clear about what that dream, desire, or goal is for you. Take a pen and paper. Spend some time with yourself in silence. Ask this question: what do I really, really, really want? As you ask this question, spend few minutes in silence observing what thoughts, images, or pictures come to your mind. Every day for the next few days, ask this question. Wait for answers. Take about 7 to 10 days to finalize this list. That's the right way you go about pursuing your deepest desires and goals. Because so many people who come to me with this question, how do I manifest my desire quickly? Generally are those who have tried very hard to manifest something probably they don't desire deep from their hearts. To ensure we don't make that mistake, we should be sitting with ourselves in silence, asking this question: what really makes me happy or fulfilled? As you have followed this step, now you are ready with a strong list, a list of things that can really help you add more value to your life. That could be a relationship goal, that could be more money in abundance, or it could simply be you wanting to attract better health. Be clear about what you want in your life. Once you have put the list down on paper, once you have your goals down on paper, the next step really is to look at how you can achieve this goal. One of the first things you can do is identify if you have any limiting beliefs relating to your goal. That means take some time to observe what thoughts generally come to your mind when you want to take any action for a goal. Maybe the thought for attracting a dream job is, oh, that company is too good for me. Oh, that guy or that woman is too good for me. If you have such thoughts, you need to work on your limiting beliefs. Again, spend some time with yourself in silence. That is when you will understand what your deeper, hidden mental blockages are. One by one, list down opinions that you have about the world, about other people, about yourself, about your circumstances in general. As you have put this list down, now take one belief at a time and challenge it. For example, if your belief is that I am unworthy of attracting anything big, convert that into a positive statement. But while you convert it into a positive statement, ask yourself, is this really true? Am I really unworthy? Who said that to me? Maybe you'll come across some judgment people passed on you in the past. Maybe somebody made you feel this way in the past. As you challenge this belief, ask yourself, is this really true today? You will realize that it was a very different you in the past and it's a very different you today. As you remind yourself that, listen, I want to achieve something big in my life. I want to change my life. Automatically your subconscious mind gets a message that you don't want to stay stuck to the past. This process of challenging your old limiting beliefs is one of the most important steps in manifestation, because no matter how much you say, I want this, I want this, I want this, unless and until you don't challenge the negative beliefs, you will never find yourself taking any action for your goals. Another thing that you can do immediately to ensure that manifestation is something that you find yourself going on track towards achieving, make sure that after you have your list of positive beliefs, every limiting belief converted into a positive belief is repeated by you on a daily basis. That could be first thing in the morning as you wake up, or the last thing before you go to bed at night. How you can do it is simply close your eyes, try to relax your mind and body, and repeat each positive belief for a few seconds. As you repeat the belief, keep a smile on your face and imagine what it would be like to have already achieved your goals. For example, if your goal is to attract more money, imagine as you repeat a positive statement like, I am attracting more and more abundance into my life. I deserve all the abundance I desire. As you are repeating these statements and challenging the negative beliefs in your mind, automatically your subconscious mind is forming a very positive picture about your goal. In fact, it's actually changing your self image and self perception. Slowly, as the old perception of you is challenged and the new you is beginning to take place in your vibration, you will find yourself attracting the right people, right opportunities, right resources that can help you get to your goal faster. The next step in manifestation is to spend some time connecting with your goal. That means you want to emotionalize your goal. You want to feel like there is nothing missing in your life today. Now, even though you have not attracted your goal of, let's say, having more money, you got to find a way to feel like you already are abundant. How do you do that? One of the easiest and quickest ways to do that is visualization. Form a strong script around your goal. For example, if I want to achieve better health and I'm looking at overcoming a certain health issue, I can simply write down a story, a description which is clearly stating how I have overcome my problem and how today I'm feeling so healthy, energetic, strong, confident, and happy. You can even involve your own loved ones in this script. Imagine sharing your current state of more health and vitality with a loved one. As you complete the script, all you can do is close your eyes and rehearse this entire script in your mind as if you are actually sharing this information with someone. As you do that on a daily basis, your mind, which only thinks in pictures and images, will start taking these images seriously. Slowly and steadily, you will challenge your old limiting beliefs and images of you being lacked something, of you being less than others, of you being unworthy and undeserving. The next thing after visualization that you can do is make sure on a daily basis you spend few moments trying to let go of the past. Why? Because manifestation is a journey and not a destination. While you're on this journey, you will come across issues, grievances, hurt, resentments, guilt, regrets. If you want to have your journey going very smoothly, easily, make sure you are not carrying too much luggage. Excess luggage will not help you enjoy your journey. Excess luggage is often something we carry in the form of our past hurt and regrets. What you need to do is every day give some time to letting go. One way to do that is observe what negative emotions you are carrying. These could be emotions that you have towards another person. It could be something that you hold for yourself. As you accept these negative emotions and feelings, remind yourself, this is not me. I am not this thought. I am not this feeling. I am not this belief. I am God's highest form of creation. I am universe's beloved child. So I too will experience more happiness and joy in my life. The moment you start saying this, you have become successful in breaking an old pattern of lack and negativity. The second thing that you can do is clearly identify which people actually bother you, trouble you in some way. These could be people who have insulted you, hurt you, or done some mean things to you. If you want to achieve your deepest desires and dreams, you have to make sure you take time to practice forgiveness for them. There is no point in holding anything negative for any other person or for yourself. Why? Because negative emotions block your vibration. How will you put positive energy into your goals and desires if you are feeling drained, fatigued, sad, irritated, and upset? So, here's a simple tip for forgiveness. Every day, take a few deep breaths and say, I am willing to forgive this person. I am ready to forgive this person. I send this person love. I wish this person good health, happiness, and abundance. Even though you may not be completely willing to forgive this person at this point in your life, if you say this as a commitment on a daily basis, your deeper mind gets a message. Oh, he doesn't want to hold on to this. Or, oh, she doesn't want to hold on to these grudges. Slowly and steadily, you reprogram your brain and your subconscious mind for well being and success, because every time you practice forgiveness, you raise your vibration. Why are vibrations so important? Whatever you attract in your life, everything is coming from your dominant vibration. That means what you feel most of the times in the day. So, to achieve your deepest desires and dreams, you want to feel good, you want to feel positive, you want to feel like you deserve everything you want in your life. So, these are few things and few steps that will help you start getting started on your manifestation journey. One more thing, which is very important if you're serious about manifesting your goals: commitment. You have to make a list of practices you want to do on a daily basis. Why? Because if you look at the word law of attraction, attraction has the word action in it. This means your goals are only wishes and mere desires if you don't want to take any action on them. So, today itself, if you have a goal, if you have some positive statements you're repeating, you're visualizing, make sure that this step is not ignored. Make a list of practices you want to do on a daily basis. As you put this list down, make sure every day you are following this list. From the time you wake up in the morning until the last thing that you do before you go to bed. It should all be on paper, even if you're somebody who's not very disciplined at the moment. Follow this advice of making this list on a daily basis. The more you engage with this list, the more you look at this list, your brain will start giving you those cues, those hints, those signals to start adopting these practices. Discipline, commitment, and consistency are going to help you convert your goals from mere wishes into your desired reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe to us. There's very soon a detailed video coming up on the law of attraction. Take care. God bless. Namaste.